Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove silence from your Reels video on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create an Instagram Reel. I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then I'm gonna select Reel. Oops. Sorry guys, I'm going to click on Reel, and for the Instagram Reel I'm going to upload a video from my gallery. But wait, I'm still choosing the video. I'm going to upload my own video guys. Okay, this one, and I'm going to remove silence from this video. To remove silence from our video, we need to go to the video editing on Instagram Reel. You can tap on edit video, and then you're going to click on the clip like this until it's active. As you can see by the outline that now the video is active. And if we want to remove silence from our video, we can simply click on cut silence. Okay, and now the silence is being removed from my video. Okay, and this is the result. My video is getting shorter because the silence has been removed.
Hi everyone, I'm on the way to the office. Happily, I don't know.
The silence has been removed, guys. Oops, sorry. Okay, and this is the final result. The duration before I remove silence from my video is 40 seconds, but now the duration is around 20 seconds. Okay, it means that the silence from my video has been removed.
Hi everyone,
and I'm going to play to show you what we have.
Happily,
okay, and you can continue the editing before you upload the reel to your Instagram. You can add text or caption or music. It's up to you. And once you're ready to upload it to your Instagram account, you can click on this icon, the arrow icon, and then you can write a caption and hashtags, and then you can click on share to share your video to your Instagram with the silence removed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove silence from our Reel video on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.